there's a fly in here trying to steal the show. But baby, you can't steal the show when it was never yours. You cannot steal the show when it was never yours. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So today's video, we're going to get into this super clean, cute, easy makeup look that I wear for the summer. As you can see, there's no lashes, there's no liner. It's just a simple, cute look. I'm really into the clean girl, everyday look aesthetic. I've been like this for a very long time now. I just haven't like recorded anything. I still feel like it's minimal makeup, but I'm still giving a look. I just don't like the heavy makeup like I used to anymore. I just like a easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. No, I'm just an easy breezy everyday makeup look. And this can be an everyday makeup look for the summer, winter, spring, fall, whatever the season is. It's just that in the summertime it's really hot and no one's trying to put on piles of makeup. And would you believe me if I told you that this is actually a skin tint? But if you want to know how I got this cute look, keep watching. Testing 1 2. Is this thing on? So we've already done basically our skincare. I did my skincare about an hour ago, so we're all prepped for skin. I'll be doing a separate video showing you guys exactly how I prep my skin before makeup, okay? Because the skin prep before makeup and the skin prep on the day that I'm not wearing makeup, two completely different things. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is our brows. So for me personally, my brows, I don't do anything too heavy for my brows. I'm in a really clean girl aesthetic lately. So brows, I do need to get them arched, but for brows, we're not going in with the heavy definition. I go all the way to that, and then at the top, as I start more so towards the middle, go to the arch it down, and then when I get to the front part, I'm just gonna go and do little flicks. And the brand that I use for my eyebrows is the NYX Cosmetics Professional Micro Brow Pencil in Espresso. I don't do anything heavy anymore. I mean, if it's an occasion, I'll do like heavy brow or heavy full face makeup. But honestly, the stuff that I be doing, I can do a minimum face. I'm just really not into the heavy makeup looks anymore, unless like it's like a look I'm doing. So next I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish, and I have this one in Deep Olive. We're just going to carve out our brows. So I go underneath following the shape, and then I go on top following the shape like that. So then I just take it, blend it, and then underneath the eye blend it down. Alright, now that we're done with that, we are going to go on to our foundation. I use a skin tint. I'm going to be using Danessa Myrie Beauty's Yummy Skin Serum Skin Tint. It's literally like a skin serum, but I literally use mine as a foundation. Like I said, I've been really working on my skincare. So foundation, I don't need a lot anymore as much as I used to wear. So literally that's all I'm going to use on my face. And then I just take a flat brush and apply it all on my skin. You see that? It's literally just like, it literally feels like a serum. It's not heavy on my face or anything. That's why I love it so much. Next, we're going to go in with our concealer on our under eye. So I just put a little bit right here and right there. Okay, then just keep it down. Right there. And then we're going to add a little bit to the forehead, nose, chin. We don't need a lot. I just don't use like a lot of product anymore. And then I'm just going with my concealer brush. This is a Sephora brush 57. I've been using this brush. This is my holy grail brush for like years. So, and she has not done me wrong. So yeah, we just go blend that corner pull it down, and then blend up. Blending with a brush definitely does take longer, and I sometimes do add a little bit more product after I blended it, just to my liking. But yep, we're going to blend that corner, blend it down, and then blend up, just like that. But yeah, I usually do add a little bit more concealer under the eyes, just depending on, it really just depends on what kind of look I'm going for. What I noticed that with me blending, instead of blending like that, if I blend out, it blends better, like seamless, I can't say that word. It blends right, okay? I get a little bit on my lips just so it doesn't have that harsh, like, weird line. And then we blend it. I blend it into the crease of my nose right there on each side. It's not going to be a lot, of course, but it's enough. And then forehead, we do nose last, but forehead we start right here in the middle, and then we drag it out to the sides. And then I go around like that. But like I said, blending with a brush definitely does take longer, but I honestly like the outcome of blending with a brush versus a beauty blender. But honestly, if I'm in a rush, I'm going to use a beauty blender because it just takes less time. For me personally, some people say when they use a beauty blender it takes more time, but I feel like a brush takes more time because you blend it, but the beauty blender is already wet, so you can just get that spot, like whatever you got to get done, it just get it done. For my contour, my thing broke. I'm using the Makeup by Mario sculpting stick, and I have mine in a deep dark. It broke, so it don't scoop up anymore. So what I usually do, I usually just take like a brush like this and I dab it in there, wipe it off, and then I just go like this wherever I'm putting it. Then I do my nose area. I do a thin line going about right there. Not too much on the nose contour. But I do go and I add to that line right here where my brow meets, right there, just so it can be like more chiseled. I'm switching hands, sorry. I don't know what brush this is, but I got it in my makeup Sephora kit, so I go like this with it and blend that all out. You see how it just blends seamlessly? It just blends really nice. Okay, I'll do this side. Then we come for the nose, and we're just going to use the edge of it and blend up and then down. Blend up and then bring it down, and then cocktailing it with this just so the lines aren't harsh. Next, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Loose Setting Powder in number 5. And I just go in and I actually use, what's that? I'm going to just, I don't know my brush yet. I usually use a spoosh or whatever it's called, but I'm just going to use my concealer brush again. And I'll just go in, I'm going to tap it off and apply. Okay, so we're going to apply thin line right on the nose contour, and then we're going to bring it out like that and down. We're going to go and sculpt a little bit under our contour just so it can be a little bit more chiseled, our face. We're going to do the other side. Sorry y'all, I'm left-handed, so everything just be weird. We're going to bring it out just like that. Chisel the side like that, and I go in, I put some, anywhere I apply concealer outside of the under sculpt, under the contour, we're adding powder. And then we're going to do down. And then after I get done with that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with, I'm going to call this my bronzing brush, and I'm going to use my Sephora bronzed matte bronzer, and I have mine in a number 6. I think it's called Ibiza. But we're just going to go tap it off, and just to define that contour a little bit more. so our face can be chiseled. And then we go in at the top. I didn't use it at the top initially, so I use it at the top with the powder only. I don't like adding cream to my forehead, depending on like how my hair is. And so I got like a lace quick weave, so I don't want to add cream to that. And then we're just gonna let this sit. I usually let this sit for about 3 or 4 minutes, and then after I let this sit for about 3 or 4 minutes, we're gonna go to the next step. So now I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder in a number 4. I just take this brush right here, pat that in, and wherever I put the loose powder, I set this on top. So we're literally just setting our powder. Some people might say like this is still like a full makeup look, but I don't feel like it is based off what how other people do their stuff. And then after I get done with that, I always go in again with my bronzer just to soften everything up, because sometimes it can get a little harsh. So I use this just to soften the face up just a little bit more. After that, we're going to go in with a little bit of blush. So I'm going to go in with my Danessa Merrick Beauty Yummy Skin blush in Prima Donna. I'm just going to take my big fluffy brush, put a little bit in there, tap it off, and then add a little bit of blush. Just like that. This is like my clean girl summer makeup look. Nothing too crazy. Oh, girl. And then add a little bit to the nose area. Nothing too crazy. Alright, so let's move on to lips. So for lips, super easy, super simple. What I'm going to be using for my lips is I'm going to be using the Sephora Collection Gel Lip Liner in Molasses and the Merit Beauty Lipstick in 1990. I overline the top of my lip a little bit. Just like that. Then we're going to take our lipstick. This is one of the perfect brown lips, I'm not going to lie. It's like a minimalist brown. But it's still like super cute. You see that? It barely looks like it's anything there, but it gives it contour, which I absolutely love. Ooh, we looking cute. Okay. Then we're going to go in with our Charlotte Tilbury airbrush setting spray. I do have some more setting sprays, but this helps keep it like dewy. I was going to use my Morphe Continuous, but I don't like the way it sits with this skin tint, so. Fan it that way. Okay, while that's drying, I'm going to do my hair, come back and show y'all what we looking like. And what's a perfect makeup look without a fragrance? So I'm going to put on the Eilish perfume from Billie Eilish. It smells like vanilla. There's a fly here trying to steal the show. But baby, you can't steal the show when it was never yours. You cannot steal the show when it was never yours. So, I'm obsessed. Obsessed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video of this makeup look, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.